Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. In this video, we're taking a look at PharmEasy, an online pharmacy platform available at www.pharmeasy.in. PharmEasy offers a convenient way to order your medications and healthcare products from the comfort of your home. Their website boasts a wide selection of prescription drugs, over-the-counter medicines, and other health and wellness essentials. Navigating the site is straightforward, with a user-friendly interface that allows you to easily search for specific products or browse through different categories. You can upload your prescriptions directly to the platform, simplifying the ordering process. PharmEasy also provides helpful resources, such as information on medications and health conditions. They often have promotional offers and discounts, making it a potentially cost-effective option for managing your healthcare needs. Delivery services are a key component of PharmEasy's offerings, aiming to bring your orders directly to your doorstep. While the specific delivery timeframe may vary depending on your location and the availability of products, they strive to provide timely service. In addition to medications, PharmEasy provides access to diagnostic tests, allowing you to book various health checkups online. This can be a convenient way to monitor your health and detect potential issues early on. PharmEasy aims to be a one-stop shop for your health and wellness requirements, from everyday essentials to prescribed medications and diagnostic services. Of course, individual experiences can differ, so I encourage you to do your own research and see if PharmEasy meets your specific needs. Be sure to check their website for the most up-to-date information on available products, services, and pricing. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or treatment.